Yay! Yay! He's standing! Whoa! Yay! Go! He's just standing today. Oh, yay! Today is April the 1st. This is my third time catching him standing. He's so big. Yay, baby. Yay. Oh, you got... Oh my gosh. You gonna try again? Oh, she done. What's up, y'all? It is D-Double-N and welcome to another video. Vlogsover day 2. Vlogsover day 2. Okay, so I was trying to think of what I want to do for Vlogsover. So I have a whole bunch of different videos, but I know I want to do a video cooking some unleavened bread because I've never done it before. Usually you get like some matzah. And I was like, that stuff tastes so nasty. So I'm going to try to make a video doing that. I'm going to have a video choosing out our Passover clothes. And I know I'm going to do a Passover prep video where I go through the entire house and pretty much like clean it up, make sure everything's organized and all that type of stuff to kind of like refresh, because Passover is kind of like it's like a refresher for the next year. Make sure you let go of any resentment and all that type of jazz. So we're gonna have a nice good little series, so I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe and enjoy these videos.
Oh. Don't be trying to still sneak me in there. I seen that. Go on.
No, because it's not just gaming, it's for artists.
No, this is a game. So
nah, that's the point. You want the dog one? No response. These are cute though. I would wear these. Like this bow one. This is cute. Look at this.
So good.
Look at this. These baby dolls are kind of creepy looking. But this one's...
That's the best they can do.
Oh, that's so weird.
Baby.
Ain't authentic, you got it, still ain't living.
So, today is the day. Today is the day, guys. You see what we got here? This is soil. This is some soil and potty mix, right? Potty mix. Now, first of all, you guys, disclaimer. I am not an expert planter, gardener, whatever, okay? Because some people are way too serious about their plants. And now all of a sudden it's like, why do you let all your plants die? What's up with that? Calm down. Okay, so the reason why my plants died when I first tried to do these was because the soil that I got from mother-in-law was clay. It's not soil. I got it from her backyard, and you know, like it's just the soil was bad. There's nothing more that I could have done to water, keep it out in the sun or anything if the soil is clay like this. So that's why the plants die. Now I finally have some actual potty mix and it's spring, so I want to give it another go. But I want to have like a nice apartment type of garden type situation. There's a spot in the back of my apartment that could keep my things, and then also, you know, I could kind of like grow my plants in peace without you know, just I want to have fun with growing the plants. I don't want to just, you know, be made to feel bad. You know what I'm saying? Like, oh, your plant isn't doing A, B, C, and D. I just want to grow my plants in peace, okay? I want to grow my plants in peace and have fun. That's all. So that's what I want to do. I want to have fun growing some plants. So that's what I'm about to do. And I'm just going to keep them in the back so nobody can stress out or anything. Just have a good time, right? So that's what we're going to do. Howdy you guys, it's a Dublin. Welcome to a little cooking detour. Pretty much this video is just going to be me frying this fish, well pretty much preparing this fish that I got from my dad's. So earlier in this video we saw us going to Big Lots and stuff, was I had went to a dentist appointment for my root canal. It was tripping out, had like an abscess and all types of junk, and they were going to like basically do like a whole new root canal, and it was gonna be like $2,000, so that didn't work out. Basically I went ahead and got some antibiotics from Walgreens. So while we were waiting for the antibiotics to get it together, we went to Big Lots to stall, and then afterwards I went ahead and went by my dad, which was very fun. Visited him and his wife, and he gave us a ton of fish. So now I'm pretty much preparing the fish so that my entire family can come over and celebrate New Year's. We do New Year's and fry and eat some good marinated fish. So I just wanted to go ahead and get that little explanation because I know that this was all over the place. So yeah, go ahead and enjoy the rest of this little cooking video. See ya. Let me show you guys. So I am soaking the fish in apple cider, make sure it's clean, and then I'm going to put them in this bowl and add all the seasonings. So that's what we got going on. You guys can kind of see what I'm doing. Oh, nice. Alright, so we added all the seasoning. Look at that. Yum. Y'all want to chow down? So what I am going to do now is cover this up. And like, I don't know if the hot sauce is going to make it that hot. Because I already added like cayenne pepper. I probably should like slow down on the cayenne pepper. I don't know. But I'm going to cover this up with aluminum foil, put it in the refrigerator for like at least 30 minutes at minimum, and have this soak in the ingredients. Yeah, I cut the bottom. Y'all saw me poke the bottom of the fish is so that all the stuff can go inside the fish and marinate on the inside. And I drizzled it with some hot sauce, give it a little bit extra flavor and stuff. I was almost thinking adding like this Cajun seasoning to it. And I was like, nah, it's gonna be way too spicy. You know, it's gonna be too much. It's gonna be too much. So this is the hot sauce or whatever. Y'all know hot sauce. Y'all get that Louisiana hot sauce, but honestly, it probably don't even matter what hot sauce y'all use. But you know, we're gonna go ahead and cover this up and get to frying with you. I'm gonna go ahead and have to wash all these seasonings off. You know, got a little bit. I tried not to have no fish juice on this, but I'm probably gonna wipe this down again. I'm almost certainly going to wipe this down again. But this is like a basic to get the most fish juice off, and then throw this away because this is empty. And I wouldn't want to use this again anyway. All that fish. Alright, what's up you guys? Welcome to another vlog. It is Double N and today is Hebrew New Year celebration. I have some fish getting ready and soaking to get fried. I don't know if I'm frying it or my mother-in-law frying it or my sister-in-law frying it, but the fish is marinating nonetheless. The only thing I'm missing, I'm missing the garlic powder. I had like 2 big things of garlic powder and then it just suddenly disappeared. I don't know if I threw it away by accident or what, but it's not here anymore. And I know my mirror is blurry. I gotta clean this. I have to clean this mirror. But welcome to Happy Hebrew New Year, new moon. Well, yeah, you know, all that stuff. I got my same decorations I had for like Purim. I don't have much. It would be nice if I had like a New Year's sign or something. I don't know, but that's not what we're working with. So, making grits for breakfast. And you can hear my daughter. She's talking. She's ready for some food. So I just wanted to introduce myself. What's up, you guys? Ain't ready. So I didn't finish cooking all the fish, so got a little bit. This looks so good. Yes. Yes. Y'all want some? Yummy.
Please don't talk about me when I'm gone. Oh, honey, though our friendship ceases from now on. If you can't say anything real nice, it's better not to talk at all.